Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Athanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to draw a tree map chart in Excel software. Okay, this is a data set for the creating in the tree map chart in the Excel software. Now we are take the 5 different water sample in the different locations and the 10 different major species I defined the total population count. This is a total population count. The sample A the total population count and sample C this is a total population counts. Okay, this data converted to the creating method for the tree map chart in the Excel software. Okay, this is a correct format for the table arrangement in the creating method for the tree map chart in the Excel software. Okay, they select the data. Okay, go to the insert menu and they select the tree map chart. Okay, this is a creating for the tree map chart. Now customized for the this tree map chart. Okay, the select for the chart element and unclick for the chart title and the legend options. Okay, they select the data. Okay, they select the graph, choose the right click and the select for the format data series. Okay, open the data format series. Okay, then now the select for the series option, select for the banner. Okay, now the creating the banner. Okay, this is a banner for the sample D and sample C, sample B, sample E and sample E. Now the color changes for the single samples. Okay, the sample D single color and the different color the sample. Okay, they select the sample D, go to the bucket options, fill and line and choose the color blue. Okay, next select for the sample A and change to the color green. Then next sample C, select the color for the any one colors. Okay, next B. Okay, then next last ones for the E sample. Okay, this is for the color changes in the customized in the tree map chart. Now the select the data set. Okay, then select for the value and change to the space. Okay, select the data, change to the font, time Roman and font size is 10 and use the bold. Okay, then format sections, the space, comma, semicolon and new lines. Okay, select the new lines. Okay, this is for the tree map chart in the Excel software. Now the interpreters for the this chart. Okay, the highest population count percent in the sample D. Okay, this is a sample D. The sample D the total highest species percent in the species 2. 3004. The totally the 5 different samples. The highest species percent in the water sample for the sample D and the first the highest species identified in the species 2. Okay, the next one for the species 7, then the sample D, then 1930 and the third one for the species 5, 1693. Okay, the next one for the largest population, total population counted from the sample A. The sample A, the highest species present in the species 6. The total count of the species 6, 2945. And the next one for the species 9 in the sample A, 2084. The highest percent in the sample A. Then third one for the species highest percent in the sample C. The particular species percent in the sample C, the highest in the species 5. The total count of species 5 in the population for the sample C, 2190. Then next one for the second highest species present in the sample C, the species name for the 3. The species count of the population 2017. Okay, the next one, the fourth highest samples present in the sample, the water sample B. This is a water sample B, the yellow color mentioned too. And the water sample B, the highest the species present in the species 1, the 2138. The next one for the species 10 in the highest sample percent in the sample B, 2034. Okay, then lowest, the very lowest species identified in the sample C. This is a sample C in the color in the red color. Okay, the different color mentioned to the identify the species for the directly the data visualization and easy identified in the data set. Okay, the lowest for the sample E in the red color mentions the lowest, the highest the sample species counted in the sample E, the species 2, 2847. Okay, then species 1 is highest second sample percent in the E, then 1483. Okay, this is for the chart for the easily identified for the data set in the data visualization. Okay, this is for the border is a white color. If you change to the border, okay, they select the, now I only the select for the D samples. Okay, then click the fill and bucket options. Okay, this is a border options, change to the border. Okay, then no border selected. If you want the black color, select the black color. Okay, this is border selected. The width want to increase to this 0.7 to 1.5. Okay, this is a border. Okay, now the all the graph for the border is a white color, but particularly I selected for the samples in the D, the black color border. Okay, then I remove the black color border, the no lines. Sample C, they fill the automatically, so selected the automatically. Okay, the color different identified for the tree map and the data visualization, the easy method. Okay, if you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. If you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me, join to the channel membership. This data file the upload over the telegram channel. If we work out the any doubt, please download the file in our telegram channel. Okay, thank you.